Hi everyone. This presentation has the main goal to show you the methodology and choice of programming language for AVEPI, System for Analysis of Economic Viability of Investment Projects. The methodology framework that was used to create AVEPI is composed by 4 steps. So first we have requirements gathering. Requirements gathering is the step where we study what the system should do, what functions the system should have. The second step is the choice of programming language. So based on the requirements gathering, we choose the right kind of languages and architecture to create the system. The third step is the development approach, how we develop the system. And the last step is the testing and the testing results of the system. So the main requirement for developing AVEPI was to create a software that could automatically implement some tools for engineering economics. Tools such as financial mathematics elements, amortization systems, methods for analysis of economic viability of investment projects. And also, we had to implement a learning environment with instructional resources as PDFs and docs and presentations so people could use AVEPI as a learning tool. We choose a ABAP application as the kind of application for AVEPI because it has some advantages such as high portability, so everyone can access the website, create a profile and use the tools. This website is independent of the voice and operating system. Also, it has support to create charts, advanced mathematical resources, the use of media such as images, videos, animations, teaching resources, among others. And also, all the processing of the website is made by the server. The only disadvantage is about the internet access, which is required for accessing the AVEPI system. So here we have the system architecture. In the left we have the users, which can be a computer, desktop, a laptop, a cell phone, smartphone. The only requirement here is that this device, the user's device, has to have internet access. So for user language, we use HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript. In the right, we have the server. So for the server, we use PHP, and as database language, we use MySQL. So here we have the development steps. So the system was developed by modules. The first thing for each module is to understand the module goal and requirements, what the module should do, what kind of functions the model should have, what kind of charts and tables and results the model should create in the system. The second step is to develop that, and then we go to the third step, which is testing. If the testing result is good, we go to the next step. But if the test result is not that good, or there are kind of errors, we go back to development step. After releasing online, the testing is made by students and teachers in the fifth step. So the students and teachers for engineering economics can try the software and try to identify some mistakes, some errors, or some behavior that is not expected. If the result is satisfactory, we go back to the first step, but in the next module. And in this kind of approach, incremental approach, we develop all the modules. Here we have some of the results, some of the charts that are created by AVEPI. These charts are made by Google Charts API, which is a Bootstrap and JavaScript API. And here we have other kind of results, which is tables with indicators, which is made by Bootstrap.